In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new custom object in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to enhance your organization's CRM with custom data structures, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to guide you step by step through the process so you can easily tailor your Salesforce environment to better meet your specific business needs. To start, let's navigate to the home page of Salesforce. This is your main hub for accessing everything Salesforce has to offer. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Quick Settings icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see various configuration options. Next, from this menu, select Open Advanced Setup. This action takes you into more detailed administrative settings where you have the ability to manage and customize the workings of your Salesforce setup to a deeper extent. Once inside Advanced Setup, you're going to want to click on Object Manager. The Object Manager is an essential tool within Salesforce, allowing you to create, view, and manage your objects. You'll be spending quite a bit of time here if you're keen on modifying data structures within Salesforce. In the Object Manager, there will be a Create button. It's usually located at the top right-hand corner of the interface. Clicking on Create is our next move, signaling to Salesforce that you want to design something new within the system. Now that you've clicked on Create, select Custom Object from the options presented. A custom object allows you to build new database tables that store information unique to your organization's needs. This flexibility is one of the powerful features of Salesforce, allowing you to adapt the platform to your unique business processes. The next step is to type in your object label. The object label is essentially the name for your new custom object as it will appear throughout the user interface. Choose something that clearly identifies the data purpose, which can help avoid confusion later on. Once you've decided on an object label, you'll need to provide a plural label. The plural label is how Salesforce will display this object when it appears in lists or related to multiple records. Consistency between the singular and plural labels can streamline user interactions with the data. After the labels, enter a description for your custom object. This description should clearly convey what the object is intended to store or represent. Think of it as a succinct guide for users and administrators to understand the purpose of the object at a glance. Finally, you have the option to select Optional Features. These features provide additional functionalities, such as enabling reports or being able to attach notes and attachments. Choose the ones appropriate for your object and finalize your setup by following the on-screen options to save your new custom object. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new custom object in Salesforce, tailored uniquely to your organization's needs. Don't forget to explore further features and permissions to fully integrate your custom object into your business processes. Thank you for following along and happy customizing.